There's that one. Now this one over here. You have to pull one hard motion up. There you go. Okay, see this one right back here?
No, it's the wrong size.
Okay.
Looks like one smaller.
Yeah, what size is that one? Motherfucker. A lot of fun to take out.
Yo, what's up? It's February 25th, 2024, episode 7 of our Mark 7 Golf R. We're going to be getting into putting the R600 RacingLine intake and a charge pipe and a couple other goodies onto the Golf R here. So far, we took out the factory air box. We're trying to do the turbo muffler delete. That's that right there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the hardware out for that. So we'll see how it goes. It's always a battle. So we winded up having to take the battery out to get access to the turbo muffler.
And a little bit of silicone spring in the middle.
Oops. Turbo muffler delete. Alright guys, we'll do a quick unboxing and then we'll start reassembly. RacingLine R600 black silicone. What is this one?
Turbo inlet.
Turbo inlet. Looks like a real nice piece. Got the black powder coat on there. And lastly,
TMD.
we'll do a little head-to-head, I guess. We got the turbo muffler delete by RacingLine. It's pretty cool.
Right there.
God.
Volkswagen didn't do anybody any favors. They put this thing on here where you had to put a pick underneath here and pry it up a little.
So that's the PCV.
That's where the PCV goes into the intake and dumps all the oil that cokes up your intake runners.
All right, down here, turbo muffler delete from RacingLine, and the 034 inlet pipe. Our newly installed APR coil packs from the last video coming right along. Battery back in, 034 turbo inlet, muffler delete. Now we'll get into the R600 and the intake pipe. RacingLine R600 intake, like on the 2022 Golf R.